If you hear strange noises outside the door, don't open the door. Otherwise, something might happen to you. I will show you the video. But first, like and subscribe if you love your parents. If you don't like and subscribe, it means you never love your parents. So this boy lives alone in the house and someone knocks on his door. Through the front door CCTV, he thought his grandmother had come to his house. Apparently, something scary appeared at his door, making the boy cry in fear. Send this video to your friends to warn them about this. Here is the video.